Hello everyone. This is Harshada Warekar and I'm a student of Ajinkya T.Y. Patil University. I'm studying cloud technology and information security. In this video, we are going to learn the step-by-step securing drive using Bitlocker in Windows Server 2012 R2. So before lab work, let me introduce you about Bitlocker first. So what is Bitlocker? Bitlocker is a drive encryption technology that enables a user to encrypt an entire hard drive to protect it from unauthorized access attempts. Bitlocker was introduced in Windows Vista and Windows 2008. It is available on select versions of Windows operating system. The data can be accessed by any computer the drive is connected to, and this is of concern for drives that are stolen, lost, or kept in off-site locations. BitLocker protects a removable drive from unauthorized access by encrypting the drive and locking it. BitLocker has the following characteristics. First is, BitLocker can encrypt an entire hard drive or only the utilized part of a hard drive. BitLocker can be combined with EFS. BitLocker protects the integrity of Windows startup process. Some BitLocker features are usable when Trusted Platform Module, that is TPM, is available on the computer. So, we are going to cover this step in this video. First, we are going to see how to install BitLocker. Second, we are going to see how to create a BitLocker backup job. And after that, we are going to see the BitLocker encryption tool. So, let us go through this video to learn the step-by-step how to secure your data drive using BitLocker in server.
Okay, so let's proceed step by step. First, we will open Windows Server Manager 2012 R2, and in that we will open Server Manager tab. And after that, we'll proceed till the Features tab. So let's begin on Server Manager. This is Windows Server 2012 R2, and I'm opening Windows Server Manager. First step is to open the Add Roles and Features, which is given in the screen. After that, we will proceed till Features tab. We will click on Next. So we are going to select Next till Features tab, as BitLocker is a feature. Next. So take BitLocker drive encryption. Other role and feature required for Windows to use BitLocker will automatically select it. Yes. So let's tick. Here we have selected BitLocker drive, and this is automatically done by Windows Server. So now click on Next. Here we have selected Add Features. So now we have to install this BitLocker drive encryption. So let's begin to install. Here we have started installing. It will take time. Actually, this process might take few seconds. After completing, click on Close button. So read these instructions. while the feature is installing. Once this is complete, you'll need to restart the computer. But before restarting your computer, it is important to modify the following group policy setting. We have to do the group policy setting before this installation. So let's start. It will be completed soon. It will take time though. Here our computer is restarting. So no problem. After restarting, we have to change our group policy setting. So here open Server Manager. There is no work in Server Manager. Open Run tab. Run and give command gpedit.msc or open local group policy directly from your server. So here is our local group policy. First, go to computer configuration, then select administrative template, then select Windows component, after selecting this, click on Bitlocker drive encryption. Now here select operating system drives in Bitlocker drive encryption. After this step, we have to select require additional authentication at startup. So here there are two similar points of require additional authentication at startup. Instead of selecting this second one, we have to select that first one. So after selecting require additional authentication at startup, we have to enable in this setting. Double click on the setting and enable the policy. Also ensure the allow BitLocker without a compatible TPM option is checked or not. We have to check this carefully. So we have checked. Then click on OK or apply. You can click on both. So after this setting, we have to restart the server so that both the BitLocker feature and group policy setting take an effect. So we have completed the steps of BitLocker encryption guide. Now restart your server. And after restarting, now we have to check the drive in my PC. Actually, we have to check the work we have done till now. So now open PowerShell. Before that, open Control Panel and check for BitLocker drive. Here we have BitLocker drive. Turn it on. After turning it on, next open PowerShell and type manage role, manage BDE status. Verify that the protection is on the PowerShell. And before that, we have to give a password, a strong password to our drive. So which is our agenda. So yeah, I have given the password. Click on next. So how do you want to back up your recovery key? So I will select as save to a file and choose your encryption drive. Continue. It will be done after restarting my server. So click on restart now. So I will not restart now, I will restart it afterwards, and it will be done after restarting my server 2012. So before that, we need to check in the PowerShell that the work we have done is completed or not. So check in PowerShell. Here we get encryption and is on. Kudos.